Sa pumili na nurture card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit hindi na panaginipan yung iyong tao. I feel na mapagkunpabakan tao. So sabi nila mag-rest muna tayo. I'm sensing ko sino man itong napanaginipan mo. Hindi siya mabuting tao at sinisiraan ka niya kahit wala ka namang ginawang masama. I feel na it's more likely sa social media ka niya siniraan. At I feel na pinatrading niya ang iyong pangalan. And I'm also sensing na pinatrabaho ka niya. At I feel na para mabuking ka. Yan ang nasa sense ko. So, i-clarify natin yung cards. Maybe this person ill-wish on you. At I feel na this person took you for granted nung kayo I feel na magkasintahan pa or pwedeng magkaibigan pa kayo or you do have a connection with this person before. Okay? I feel like you remain grounded and calm despite of yung mga ginagawa niya sa'yo. I feel na madalas ka rin niya sitahin before. Okay. Gusto sabihin sa'yo ng mga anghel na don't ignore the signs of heaven given to you about this person. So, meaning lang nun, kung ano man yung napanaginipan mo about this person, it's a warning from heaven na may ginagawa siyang kalokohan sa'yo or maybe you have seen kung ano yung masama niyang gawain. Pwede rin. So, ito yung napanaginipan mo, okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nun, itong tao na to ay deceitful at bibigyan ka niya ng problema. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng yung panaginip. Actually, pinadala ng Diyos ang yung panaginip so that you'll be aware that this person is not a good person. Kasi baka ito yung pinapakita niya sa personal na mabait siya and so on, pero hindi naman. I feel na this person does betray you because of the reason na nakita niya na mabuti kang tao at mapagkumbaba at mapagmahal. At sinisira niya tong image kasi ayaw niya na mahalin ka ng mga tao. Kasi, actually, people are being inspired by you, by your presence. At itong tao na to, pinipilit niya sabihin sa mga tao na siya ay mabuting tao at hindi ikaw. Kaya ito yung pinipilit niyang mangyari. So, anyway, I feel here na kaya niya ginagawa yung mga bagay na yun kasi as of this time, you could be focusing on your work at nakikita niya yung confidence mo and I feel na ito siguro na tao na inggit sa'yo kaya ginagawa niya isang lalagay siya ng negativity sa iyong buhay para ikaw ay magkaroon ng problema at pabagsakin ka niya kahit na wala ka namang ginagawang masama. So, warning sign ni God yung iyong panaginip, okay? And also, with regards to this one, so I feel here na yun nga, naging successful ka at I feel na dahil sa mabuti kang tao, kaya ka tinatangkilik ng mga tao, okay? So, kaya ginagawa niya, pinipilit ka niyang pabagsakin kasi ayaw niya na nakita niya yung mga tao na ganito, na malapit sa'yo. So, pinipilit niya na i-distort or sirain yung iyong reputasyon para magkaroon ng negative thinking yung mga tao sa'yo. Pero I feel na gusto sabihin ng mga anghel na huwag kang mag-alala. Kahit nagawain niya itong sinisiraan ka and so on, mananatili yung mga tao sa'yo because they do believe that you are a good person and you are definitely a nurturer. Okay, so tingnan pa natin kung ano pang meron. So we have this one, action. We also have this ex. So this could be a person that is your ex. Can be karmic partner before or can be a friend. So we have the fight. So inaaway ka niya. Na-sense ko yung galit na energy dito sa fight. So, we have this one. So, kaya kang inaaway kasi aswerte mo during this period. So, we also have this one. So, parang gusto kanya sirain at kunin kung ano man ang meron ka sa ngayon. We also have the treasure here. We also have with love in either way. Okay? So, I'm sensing yung balak niyang gawin, isirain ka para hindi mo matanggap yung iyong blessing. 22 is in reverse because you're definitely manifesting wealth as of this time. So, 2 beses na lumabas si X. So, it's really a confirmation na whomever this is your ex. At wala na kayo talagang connection. So, I feel like with love in either way, sinasabi niya sa mga tao na ikaw ay peke, okay? Hindi totoo na mabuti kang tao. Pero I feel here sa energy mo, hindi ka ganon, okay? Na-sense ko lang na tinatry niyang i-block kung ano ka talaga para hindi ka paniwalaan ng mga tao. So, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. So, kaya siguro na panaginipan mo yun kahit sabihin natin na matagal na panahon na kayong hiwalay. Maybe up to now, they are actually saying bad things about you. I'm really sensing evil karmic, okay? Paulit-ulit siya na nasa-sense ko. At I feel like talaga warning sign ni God ito. Maybe some of you, okay, nagbabalak na bumalik sa iyong ex, pero God is definitely warning you not to do so. Dahil harmful itong tao na to sa iyong buhay. Lalong-lalo na sa iyong career, yun ang nasa sense ko. So, I feel like ginagawa niya to para mawalan ng gana yung mga tao sa'yo at mawalan ka ng hope. Because people are seeing you as of this time are realizing that you are an upright person. I feel like you're also a giving person. Okay, at nakita niya to na maraming money sa iyong buhay at maybe you also have a partner at hindi mo na siya pinapansin, okay? So, this person definitely do keep tabs on you or an eye on you kasi ayaw kanyang umasenso at nakita kanya na umaalis sa kanyang buhay. So, ito yung gusto niya mangyari, na sirain yung iyong career para hindi ka maging successful. I'm sensing na sa bahay itong tao and this is somebody who definitely wronged you. I feel like in the past as well. Tingnan naman natin ngayon yung kanyang karma. I feel na may sinabi sila na mabaho ka. It's weird. Kahit yung amoy mo, sinasabi nila. Interesting. Okay, na-sense ko na sinabi nila sa mga tao na hindi mo sila trinato ng maayos. Okay? So, tingnan natin. I feel na may pagka-rebellious yung kanilang vibe or energy. So, yung kanilang karma, definitely sila yung mawawalan ng trabaho. At I feel here with this in reverse. So, mawawala ng gana yung mga tao sa kanila. Yung mga tao na upright at saka mas mature kaysa sa kanila, yung mawawala ng gana kasi itong tao na to, hindi disiplinado, okay? So, yung isa sa kanilang issue or karma is mawawalan sila ng money. I really sense trabaho, so paulit-ulit yun. So, meaning mangyari talaga yun. So, this is in reverse. So, yung mga tao, makikita sila na hindi upright na tao. So, babaliktad kung ano man ang ginagawa nilang kalokohan sa'yo. Kasi I feel na the more na siraan ka nila, the more na mag-iiba yung tingin ng mga tao sa kanila. Ang feel na dahil sa kanilang gawain, kaya mga tao titignan ka as somebody that is definitely upright at hindi sila maniniwala sa sinasabi neto na paninira sa'yo. I feel na yun yung dahilan din kung bakit kanilang may kilala at saka mapapansin. As you can see, at dito ay aasenso ka because you didn't actually focus on this person's doing. And then, I feel here guys, na yung tao na to, yung karma din niya, mawalan siya ng work. So, paulit-ulit to lumalabas. Pasensya na if it's annoying you. Dahil, with the judgment in reverse, is somebody who's not really good. Siguro, siya ay mangkukulam, kaya yun nga, nangyari is inalis siya sa work dahil sa negative vibe niya o kaya dahil sa siya ay nagka-curse. Isa sa kanyang karma, I'm sensing na wala siyang stability with regards sa money at wala rin siyang lover na talagang mag-stay sa kanya. So, I feel here na this person will regret hurting you kasi dahil sa ginawa niyang kalokohan sa'yo, kaya mga tao iniwasan siya. At I feel na naiyak siya dahil dito kasi walang naniniwala sa kanya. Pagdating ng panahon is what I sense, okay? So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about this person and God bless all of you. Sa pumili na abundance card, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit inyo napanaginipan yung iyong tao. I'm sensing na bibigyan ka niya ng hope or pagkakataon. I feel like this is about your future. Pero na-sense ko na masakit sa ulo yung pakiramdam. So, baka madalas yun naiisip yung panaginip, okay? Lagay ko na lang dito. Clarify natin yung cards. I'm sensing na nawawala kayo sa konsentrasyon sa tuwing naiisip nyo. Maybe that's why you're here. Okay, so far naman, maganda naman yung sa cards. Sa sense ko na positivity siya, honestly. Okay? I feel na yung dapat yung gawin dito is may i-let go kayo. Okay, may kailangan kayong i-let go kasi sisira yun sa iyong career or sa iyong status sa buhay. Kasi so far, with regards sa energy, okay naman si life. Okay? Nakita mo naman na I'm really sensing that you're definitely in this abundant state. Okay? So, you have the light and faith. So, I'm sensing na kaya kayo na naginip ng tao na yun kasi I feel na fated na i-guide ka niya patungo sa tamang landas. So kung ano may napanaginipan mo about this person, this is somebody that will enlighten you, maybe to save or para umangat ka sa iyong buhay. Maybe because of the reason na there's something wrong with what you're doing as of this time, and God sent you that dream to guide you. Kasi I feel like we just stop being here and desire. So baka kasi may iba kayong desire. I will just give you an example. Maybe it's about an investment na may iba kang din desire na investment, pero may tao sa iyong panaginip na guiding you towards a good investment rather than on what you're thinking. So basically, kung ano man yung nasa panaginip mo, actually, ni-stop ka niya na mag-try dun sa dinidesire mo, because whatever this person, kung ano man yung napanaginipan mo, is suggesting to you, this is something that is definitely good and might lead you on to abundance or wealth. So, in panaginip mo, parang sinasabi na makinig ka sa kanya at wag lang sa iyong own understanding or desired. Kasi you're somebody who already know what you want. Pero kung ano man yung nasa isipan mo, it will lead on sa problema rather than sa abundance. Okay? I feel na naiyak ka kasi maybe you got scammed before. Basta yung baka nangyari na to na yung dinedesire mo ay hindi maganda, na scam ka. Honestly. Okay? And let's see what else. So may dalawang ibig sabihin yung dream mo. I feel na yung isa is maybe whatever you desire, it will lead on to scam. That's what I'm sensing with regards sa yung dream. Or meron din yung isa na napanaginipan mo yung isang tao na ginaguide ka na wag yun, wag mong itry. Okay? At yun pala, kaya sinasabi sa yun ng tao kasi whatever you have in mind will definitely lead on to your downfall. So, yung panaginip mo, basically, it's about career. And God is definitely guiding you sa yung career. Kaya, napanaginipan mo yun. Kasi gusto sana ng Panginoon na i-let go mo yung something that will lead you on to downfall. Next that we have is this one. So, yes, definitely you have to let go of something kasi it will lead on to future problems. Kasi ito yung nangyayari sa ngayon na yung sarili mo lang yung pinapakinggan mo without you even knowing na nawawalan ka na. Okay, pwede rin na baka may magnakaw kung ano man na meron ka. And I feel like ito siguro yung expectation mo na may good news pero yung pala na scam ka na. Okay? And I feel like, kung sino man yung napanaginipan mo, this person is guiding you to actually have an open mind rather than always think that you're always right in what you're thinking. Okay? So, if nililigtas ka ng Panginoon from further disappointments. So, ito yung iyong card, abundance. Ibig sabihin lang nun na talagang ginaguide ka ng Panginoon para maging abundant. You could definitely be wealthy, kaya ka nag-try in a certain, what they call this, investment maybe, or kung ano man yun, negosyo. Pero whatever that you want, it's not coming in. Kasi nasa mali kayong landas, kaya kayo ginaguide ng Panginoon na iwasan niyo yun kung ay nasa isipan ninyo. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. So, we have this one in reverse. So, sarado nga yung isip ninyo, guys. Okay, I feel na naiyak ka kasi maybe this reading is too late for some of you. So, we have this one in either way. We also have this one. So, definitely, God is protecting you and guiding you. Gusto niya sana na sumunod ka sa gusto niya, pero I'm sensing that you do have stubbornness in you, that you thought that you're upright or what you think is right, pero yun nga hindi pala. So, you have the truth in either way. We also have the broke in reverse. So, nung panahon na napanaginipan mo yun, ay hindi ka broke, may pera ka. as you can see. So, maybe in-invest mo yung pera sa mali. So, yung panaginip mo, it's the truth, but you don't believe it, honestly. So, you have this one in reverse. So, kung sino man yung napanaginipan mo, mabuti siyang tao at hindi siya masama at ginaguide ka niya sa tamang landas. Tingnan naman natin ngayon kung ano pang meron. Okay, nasense ko na kung sino man tong tao na to. Stranger siya sa iyong buhay. Hindi mo talaga siya kilala, kaya siguro hindi mo siya pinagkatiwalaan. But yet, God is backing up this person to make you see that whomever that you dream about is definitely somebody who's an upright person. If ano nilalagay ka ng Diyos sa tamang landas, okay. Actually, the angels are saying na you don't have to blame God about what happened to your life kasi on His end, He could be warning you by sending you signs at ganun din sa iyong panaginip. So, sana, huwag mo i-blame ang Panginoon kasi sometimes, whatever that we put ourselves to, tayo may kasalanan kung ba't hindi yun nag-work. Okay? Kasi remember, kung hindi para sa yung bagay na yun, syempre, magkakaroon ng distortion at hindi lalago. Kasi in the first place, it's not meant for you. Or maybe you're not good at it. So, maraming dahilan. So, sana, huwag nyo laging isipin na yung Diyos agad yung may problema. Kasi ito rin yung nangyari sa iyong kung naman tong negosyo or investment, naniwala kayo sa sarili nyong perspective rather than listening to the opinions of others. So, I feel na next time around, you really have to listen. You really have to actually apologize also. To be honest, okay? So, anyway, ito yung nangyari. So, maybe, kung ano man ang investment na yun, binabag talaga yung inyong mind. Hindi maganda yung pakiramdam nyo. Kasi first of all, it's not something that will give you abundance or wealth. Kung ano yung iniisip nyo na tama. Kasi maybe kaya kayo nag-isip ng ganyan, maybe you're seeing people being successful with regards to that kind of field. But yet, yung panaginip mo, may tao doon na nagsasabi na iba yung larangan mo. Sa iba ka mag-invest, mga ganong bang bagay na sa panaginip mo. And you really have to let go of something that will not work in the future. So, sana maniwala kayo sa panaginip mo kasi yun yung way ni God to communicate with you. Okay? Huwag lang laging believe sa sarili. You really have to realize yung saying ng Panginoon na be still and know that He is God. Okay? Kasi kung inisip mo na lagi ikaw yung nasa taas, nararapat, and so on, walang mangyayari sa iyong buhay. Okay, hindi ka na mainiwala sa iba kasi ang taas na tingin mo sa sarili mo. Actually, guys, hindi maganda yan kung prideful ka kasi yung karma niyan is babagsak ka. So, it's happening, as you can see in your reading. I feel like for you to learn your lessons too, but that God is giving you chances, as you can see here. At saka, syempre, remember, talk to God, magpasalamat ka dahil binigyan kanya ng palatandaan. Okay? So, anyway, that's it, guys, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng stars, ito ang inyong reading. Tingnan natin kung bakit mo na pinaginipan yung iyong tao. I'm sensing karmic energy. And na-sense ko rin nagmamadali. I'm sensing income or pera. I'm sensing na bibigyan ka ng matinong trabaho at money. I'm sensing na bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na maranasan yung ginhawa sa buhay. I'm sensing by this certain individual, which is definitely good. Okay? Pero na-sense ko na may paalala sa'yo yung Panginoon. Lagay ko lang dito. I-clarify natin yung cards. So, I feel na meron ka mga tao na bumabati ko sa'yo behind the scenes at pinaprotektahan ka ng Panginoon. I feel na iba sa inyo may kinalaman sa one. Baka yun yung nangyari. So, just view it if you felt drawn to. Kasi feeling ko yung nangyari dito is parang grupo siya ng mga tao na ganito yung ginagawa. One kasi isang tao lang yun. Pero dito, I'm really sensing heavy karmic vibe. Okay? So, I feel na kung sino may naginipan mo, baka outcast ka sa grupo ng mga taong ito. Or hindi ka nila pinapansin. Maybe sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong trabaho, kung ano man yan. So, I feel na kaya hindi ka nila pinapansin because you're definitely aware that you're awake and you're somebody that's authentic. At itong mga tao na to, gusto ka nilang pabagsakin kasi you are authentic or you're speaking your truth as you can see here. Kasi naman yung I feel na katrabaho mo, yun na mag-lead sa'yo sa downfall. Pero gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag kang mag-alala kasi may darating na opportunity sa'yo. So, meron ka rin siguro na panaginipan na tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng trabaho or ng work. Okay, so marami ka siguro na panaginipan ng mga tao dito. Yung isa ay magpapabagsak sa'yo, yung isa naman magbibigay sa'yo ng work. Okay? So, remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't. So, gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na despite of you being hurt by certain individual here, bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Diyos para umangat yung iyong buhay. Pero, yung sinasabi niya sa'yo, yung kailangan mo lang ay i-let go mo yung something na hindi magandang work kung saan yung mga katrabaho mo mismo or yung mga tao sa paligid ay nagpapabagsak sa'yo. I feel na bibigyan ka ng chance ni God na magkaroon ng mga tao na caring sa'yo. I feel that this is with regards to the environment. So, I feel like God is definitely telling you not to be afraid, to trust sa kung yung mangyari sa'yo. Kasi I feel na mahirap yun sa'yo kasi matagal ka na siguro nag-work dito or pwedeng matagal na yung negosyo or kung ano man yan. Pero I feel like it's for the best so you let this go kasi maraming negativity doon at marami siguro mga tao na may inggit yung energy compared doon sa ipapakita sa'yo ng Panginoon na trabaho or pwede rin negosyo kung ano man yan. Next that we have is this one. So, yun nga yung dapat mong gawin is to let go and let God at huwag ka masyadong mag-stick on to something na akala mo ay nandun pa rin na masaya pa rin nangyayari. Kasi I'm sensing na yung energy natin dito sa dati mo sigurong career, kung naman yan negosyo, following whatever, hindi na maganda doon kasi toxic na, okay? So, with the stars being here, so I'm sensing na gusto ng Panginoon na maging open ka to possibilities, honestly speaking. Huwag ka mag-hold on to something na mukhang hindi na okay. Kasi I really feel here na fated talaga mangyari din na i-let go mo yun. So, you'll be able to grow. Okay? Ay, pwede rin naman about sa mga tao na you have to let them go. Kasi they're distorting you. Pwede rin. Okay? So, I'm really sensing na depende. So, I'm not really sure what to dream about, pero may kinalaman dito yung panaginip mo. So, you have the cheat here. We also have this, okay? So, may mga bumabati ko sa'yo, maybe because the reason that they thought that you cheat, you lied, or so ever. Maybe sinisiraan ka nila, yan yung mga sinasabi nila about you. And you're definitely stressed out about this. So, we got this crab mentality here. Bigata, I love you. So, yung mga tao na to nainggit sa'yo kasi you do have that loving vibe in you at sinisiraan ka niya para ma-distort yung paniniwala ng mga tao sa'yo. So, definitely, may kinalaman sa one, yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe about din sa two. So, remember to just look at those things if it actually called on to you. So, you have the kind here. Pero iba kasi yung energy mo sa number 2. Si 2 kasi may pagka-arrogante. Hindi ko naman na-sense na ikaw ay arrogante. Na-sense ko that you are in this kind energy. Okay? So, I feel na nalungkot ang Panginoon at naawa siya sa inyo. I'm also sensing na naiyak ka kasi wala ka naman ginawang masama. Pero yung mga tao na to, dinidistort kanila. Okay? So, you have the dream. So, you do have that dream. You have the tea. And we also have the quit. Okay? Ito yung nakaiyak, guys. Okay? So, sa iyong panaginip, na panaginipan mo siguro yung mga tao na to na against sa'yo, nagsasabi sila ng kung ano-ano about you. And with the quit being here, so, I'm sensing na sinasabi ng Panginoon sa iyong panaginip na umalis ka na sa certain na bagay na yan kasi ang polluted na nangyayari dyan. Okay? So, this is your sign from God that you really definitely have to quit that and trust Him na after this kind of thing, na trabaho mo, kung ano man yan, may bibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon na bagong opportunity wherein you will feel more loved rather than feel this way na ikaw ay hated and so on. So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel like these people are manifesting your downfall by saying mean things about you. I'm really sensing evil karmic with regards to this person. So, I feel na naiyak ka, to be honest, at na-sense ko rin na mabigat sa mind yung energy. So, ibig sabihin lang no, na iniisip mo talaga yung iyong trabaho. Kasi I feel na alam mo rin na nasa alangan dahil nga sa mga taong ito. Pero bigyan ko ng pagkakataon ni God na magkaroon ng new opportunity. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na wag mo na lang pansinin kung ano man ang mga ginagawa ng taong ito. Kasi lahat na sinasabi nila about you ay mga kasinungalingan. Okay? So yun nga, sad to say, mawawalan ka talaga ng trabaho. Or pwedeng iiwan mo talaga kung ano yung negative na yan. But it's for the best kasi maybe nawawalan ka na rin ng gana about it because you're overwhelmed by people hurting you. Kasi I'm really sensing here that it's a group of people. Okay? Si Juan naman, isang tao lang yun. Ito naman is a group of people na kaya gusto ng Panginoon na iwanan mo na to kasi ang dami nila. Okay? And I feel that they are definitely evil people, honestly speaking, that wants your downfall. So far naman, kung ano yung work mo or yung negosyo mo, yun talaga yung iyong hilig gawin. Kaya hirap ka rin na pagkawalan. But that God is really wanting you to see His perspective that there is an opportunity out there. So wag ka mawawala ng hope, ng pag-asa. Yung gawin mo na lang, mag-iba ka ng work or mag-resign ka and look for something else rather than pinipilit mo yung sarili mo sa certain na work or trabaho kung saan, walang nangyayari at nagbibigay sa ng stress at ang problema. So there's definitely competition sa yung work. Kaya nangyari is instead na maging positive for you is turning to negative. Okay, kasi nainggit yung mga tao na yan dahil napapansin nila na mabuti ka at sila ay, hindi pinapansin dahil masama sila. So, anyway, tingnan natin kung ano yung karma ng mga taong ito na nagpapabagsak sa'yo. Kaya may nangyayari, guys. Another dimension to me. feel na bibigyan ka ng pera ng Panginoon or ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng justice over this situation. I'm also sensing na kakarmahin sila na matindi with regards sa kanilang work at yun nga, career. So anyway, yung kanilang karma, sila din ay mawawala ng trabaho. Okay? I feel na yun dahilan kung bakit kasi nawala ng gana sa kanila yung mga tao sa paligid. Okay, whatever that they're manifesting, it will not work. Honestly speaking. So, kung ano man ang negosyo nila, di mag-grow or following. Okay, walang future doon. So, sila din mawawalan. At dahil doon, may issues sila with regards sa money. Na-sense ko rin na sumasakit yung throat ko sa energy. Ibig sabihin lang nun, mawawalan din sila ng voice. Or pwede ko nakakasakit sila, lagi naapektuhan yung kanilang throat. Okay? So, yung kanilang karma din, lalabas ang katotohanan, lalabas yung kanilang baho, at saka, I feel na merong magpo-post sa social media about them. Okay? So, you will definitely gain justice over this situation. So, anyway, that's it, guys, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili na family card, ito ang inyong reading. So, sabi ng mga anghel, this will be an intense reading. Okay. Sabi rin nila dahil kung sino man yung napanaginipan mo, they are black magic users. I feel na yung mga taong ito, pinatrabaho ka nila. And I'm really sensing na binatrain nila yung family code. I'm not sure why I sense that. Okay, baka naman kasi tinanggalan ka na nila ng karapatan. Pwede rin. At hindi lang yun, pinatrabaho ka pa nila. I'm really sensing na mabuti kang tao. And nasa-sense mo rin siguro na may kalokohan silang ginagawa kasi sa iyong panaginip. And you're wondering kung bakit siguro paulit-ulit yung dream mo. Kasi siguro God is definitely warning you about this person. So, i-clarify natin yung cards to gain more information. I'm sensing money problems or issues. I feel nawalan sila ng trabaho at meron din sila sama ng loob sa Diyos. Kasi puno sila ng kalokohan. I feel na nakaalis ka na doon, to be honest with you. Kaya maayos na yung iyong work or yung iyong buhay. So, maraming messages ako nasa-sense. Na-overwhelmed din ako sa aking pakiramdam sa energy. Kasi na-sense ko whatever that they're doing to you, nalulungkot ka. Pero gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag kang mag-alala. Kasi I feel na sa future babalik sa kanila kung ano man ang ginawa nila sa'yo. So, I feel na healing work, honestly speaking. So, siguro sa ngayon, you are healing kung ano man yun na ginawa nila sa'yo. Some of you, this could be your backstabber friend. So, remember to take which resonates and leave what doesn't, okay? So, kasi sabi ng mga anghel na huwag kang mag-alala, okay? So, I feel na makakahanap ka ng work or something for you. But, I sense na naiyak ka kasi, siguro sinisiraan nila yung iyong beauty, okay? Or kung ano man yun. Kaya gusto sabihin ng mga anghel sa'yo na huwag kang makikinig sa sinasabi nila. Kasi, yung gusto nila mangyari is i-dim yung iyong light para mawalan ka ng gana na maghanap ng work. So, definitely sinisiraan nila yung iyong pagkatao. Okay? Para hindi mo tingnan yung sarili mo na maganda or something na mag-uplift sa'yo. Kasi with regards sa voice and daydream, so I feel here na meron kayong certain na talent. Maybe you're good at talking or singing. And I feel like with this daydream, they kinda know na because of your voice or your talent, malayo yung mararating mo sa iyong buhay. So yung ginawa nila is try nilang i-distort yung paniniwala mo about yourself para mawalan ka ng inspiration. Okay? So, you also have the third wheel. So, baka naman ang nangyari dito ay may third party. Okay? So, I'm not sure what happened here, pero kung sila yung dahilan kung ba't kayo nag-break. Okay? Sinasabi siguro nila na hindi ka maganda, o kung ano man ang pahinira nila sa'yo, huwag kang maniniwala doon. Okay? Yun yung gusto nilang sabihin, okay? Kasi I feel na nagdadahilan lang sila para hindi ka tingnan ng mga tao in a good way, para isipin ng mga tao na ikaw yung may diferensya at hindi sila, kaya nagkaroon ng third party situation. Meaning no, nagtatakip sila ng kasalanan. And they're also telling that you are definitely hopeless, okay? Kasi dun sa mga negative trait or negative na sinasabi nila about you. So you're dreaming about them for you to be aware that there's somebody that's deceitful towards you, okay? At ito yung kanilang gusto mangyari na they want to dim your light. So, binibigyan ka ng Panginoon ng message ito by your dream para hindi mo idim yung iyong light. Gusto ni God na makita mo yung kanilang intention, ba't nila to ginagawa para hindi ka masaktan. Okay, I feel here kasi siguro mabilis kang paghinaan ng loob. Okay? So, huwag mong pansinin yung pinapost sila sa social media. Focus ka lang sa iyong trabaho, honestly. So, we got the accident here. So, maybe napanaginipan mo na kung sino yung gumawa sa'yo neto dati or can be ngayon. Ito yung kanilang karma na ma-aksidente sila. Maybe you dream about this. Okay, their karma. Kasi nakagawa sila ng di mabuti sa'yo before. So, mangyayari itong karma sa oras na naka-move on ka na, masaya ka na sa buhay, and so on. So, yun yung timeline na meron tayo dito. Or maybe you dream about it kasi yun nga, mangyayari sa kanila yun. So, I feel like itong mga tao na to, you know, they are actually disappointed kasi you break free from them. Okay? I feel here na in some point napaiyak ka nila, to be honest with you, pero I'm sensing that you're starting anew. Ito siguro yung ina-assume nila na because they are saying bad things about you, tatamarin ka na, hindi ka na mag-work, hindi ka na magaganito at ganyan. And, you know, I feel like you didn't give up, honestly speaking, which is nice. Nag-start ka anew, maybe sa new channel, maybe sa negosyo or whatever, career. At dahil doon nagkakaroon ka ng good news at naiinis sila kasi nakaka-move on ka, so you can see here. At hindi mo na pinapansin yung negative things na sinabi nila sa inyo. So, I feel na naiyak ka pa rin until now. Whenever you remember what they tell about you, hugs to you guys, okay? Huwag kayong papadala sa sinasabi nila, guys. Kasi kung naman ang sinasabi nila sa'yo, it definitely bring you down. At hindi naman yun totoo, as you can see. Because God will definitely show you who you really are as a person. Para hindi ka naman niwala sa negativity na sinasabi nila. Kasi, remember, kapag di mo kilala yung iyong sarili, mabilis ka ma-distort ng kung ano sinasabi ng ibang tao, especially if you're somebody who's speaking your truth. Kasi yung paniniwala mo, lahat ng tao ay kagaya mo nagsasabi ng katotohanan. So, by you experiencing these things with regards sa mga tao na to, is definitely teaching you as well na hindi lahat ng tao ay kagaya mo, kaya wag ka sana agad na maniwala din. Okay? So, I feel here with this connected and this one. So, nagkaroon ka na ng idea who you really are. Maybe because of the reason na after kasi ng mga tao na to, I really sense yung mga tao na nasa panaginip mo, hindi mo na sila kakonektado sa ngayon. Okay? Kasi first of all, they betrayed you at kung anong sinasabi nila sa'yo. So, you move on, you move away from them. And now you definitely do have new connections na actually are upright and are saying good things about you. At doon nagkakaroon ka rin ng idea of who you really are sa person. Kasi maybe when you're dealing with this certain negative people, you know, iba yung perspective mo sa iyong sarili. Because down ka nila. I feel na naiyak ka kasi you're definitely relieved from your past. So, hugs to you. And take some time to heal if until now, it definitely hurts you. So, kasana maniniwala sa sinasabi ng mga yun kasi it's all an imagination para papagsakin ka, okay? So, we have the family here. So, definitely malayo ka na sa mga taong ito. And they could be watching you from afar at napapansin nila na nagkaroon ka na ng bagong pamilya maybe or pwedeng bagong circle of friends, etc. At kalmado ka na on where you're at. At I feel na naiyak sila maybe because of the reason na sila naman yung na-karma kasi nakita mo may na-aksidente dito and so on. Pero titignan natin mamaya yung kanilang karma just to give some clarity about this, okay? So, anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I feel like they don't have friends. Very interesting. So, we have this one, 10 in reverse. So, inalis nila yung mapagmahal sa kanilang buhay. So, kaya pala, isa yun sa kanilang karma kasi, syempre, kung napaligiran ka ng mga snakes, pinag-aalis mo yung mabubuti, ano mangyari sa iyong buhay? Fail. We also have the greed here and action. So, I feel like dahil sa kanilang mga action, kaya sila nagkakaroon ng failure sa kanilang buhay. I feel like it's more likely with regards sa kanilang work. We also have the greed here and special, okay? So, I'm sensing na dumating ka sa kanilang buhay to actually to ground them because they're somebody that's definitely greedy and that's also the reason why they failed. I'm not quite sure if you actually watch the abundance blockage, the video ko, guys. Ito siguro yung nangyari dahil sa greediness nila kaya nagkaroon sila ng blockage with regards sa kanilang abundance. And that's the reason why kung ano man ang i-build up nila, nag-failed. As we can see here. Pero with the action being here, they're definitely somebody who's a go-getter. Yun nga lang, may pagka-greed sila kaya nangyayari is nag-failed kung ano man ang ginagawa nila. For you is love in reverse. We also have this, or definitely special, okay? Kasi, itong mga tao na to, you know, they don't work for love. If ever they work, let's say, example lang to ha, let's say they could be a politician. So, yung trabaho nila, diba, is to serve, dapat. Pero, instead of them serving, they're serving for popularity. It's not a good intention because they only care about themselves and they are greedy. Okay? So, maybe they met you because of the reason na ginaguide mo sila na dapat kung ikaw ay politician or somebody who is of service, you should definitely serve in a right way. That you care for others and not for your, what do you call this, for your investment or for your position. So we have this one, wonderful. So you're definitely a kind-hearted person. I feel na naiyak ako sa yung energy, hugs to you. You don't ever deserve what they did to you guys, okay? Manatili ka sa ganyang, what they call this, sa kanyang pag-ugali, guys. Kasi bihira na lang yung mga tao na kagaya mo. And anyway, let's see what else do we have here. So, I feel na may-miss ka ng mga tao, to be honest. could be an introvert as of this time. Dahil sa mga bumabati ko sa'yo. And I feel na naiyak ka about sa situation. So, let's see what we have here. So, we got this one. Okay. So, I feel here, parang parte to ng kanilang karma, guys, okay? Kasi nakita ko dito siniraan ka, diba? So, God is telling you na whatever that they did to you, it will not work out kasi lalabas yung katotohanan, lalabas din yung kanilang baho. Okay? I feel na wag ka masyadong mag-alala. Focus ka lang sa yung work sa ngayon, sa yung money rin. Kasi kung nag-focus ka sa kanila, definitely, it will lead on to downfall. At saka may stress ka lang. Okay? Kasi that we have is this one. Okay? So, ito yung napanaginipan mo. Napanaginipan mo sila kasi, you know, kailangan mo silang alisin sa iyong buhay. Maybe they are your friends, may connection ka sa kanila, and you have to walk away kasi if you actually remain here, parang patuloy ka nilang babatikusin, patuloy ka nilang ida-down, napaka-negative nila. So, ito yung sign ni God na umalis ka na lang. Huwag mong pagpilitan yung sarili mo sa bagay na hindi na maganda para sa'yo. Kasi I feel na nagawa mo na yung trabaho mo. You definitely try to inspire this person to be a good person, pero wala nangyari. Hindi siya nagbagong buhay. And dahil nagkampanan mo na yung mission mo for these people, God is definitely putting you on to another place. Okay? So anyway, let's see kung ano yung karma ng mga taong ito na bumabati ko sa'yo. I feel na mawawala ng tirahan or wala rin matinong trabaho. Okay. Sabi ng mga anghel dahil hindi nila ginalingan sa work. Very interesting. And I feel like they will get discouraged. So, remember kung anong ginawa nila sa'yo? Nagbigay sila ng negative comments about you, diba? So, hindi na mangyayari sa kanila at kung may nagsabing di maganda sa kanila, masyado silang masasaktan. They will take it inside their heart. Isa rin sa kanilang karma, matagal lang punta ng pera sa kanila at hindi rin sila mamahalin or tatangkilikin. Makakatagpo sila ng mga tao na kagaya nila and they will get betrayed kaya sila mawawala ng work, okay, or basta may mawawala sa kanila because of this betrayal, maybe pera, to be honest, maybe about relationship too, okay, bebetray sila, they will deal with people na hindi talaga mabuti, at maiyak sila dahil dito, yung mga tao sa kanilang paligid, hindi mapagbigay, hindi mapag-aruga, kagaya nila na toxic, kagaya nila na feeling ganito. Okay? So, yung kanilang karma, they have to see you definitely in a good place that you will definitely have this abundance sa bagay na you're pushing forward. I feel na maiyak sila kasi, you know, feeling nila nakakarma sila at maiyak sila kasi nainis sila na nakikita ka na ganito. Actually, it reminds me of what I watch. Actually, may napanood ako na near-death experience, okay? At yung tao na nangyari sa kanya to, nag-end up siya sa hell. And imagine that person is somebody who's also a believer of Jesus. Pero yung pinagkaiba nito, hindi niya pinuput to heart yung teaching. Siya'y nainggit, nagagalit, at kung ano man ang negativity. Yung nangyari sa kanya dun sa hell, exactly this one. Makita niya yung buhay ng mga tao na kinainisan niya, that this person hold for grudges, and this person will have to watch these things happening, what we call this, for a lifetime dun sa hell. But, good for him. Good for that person, okay? Na naligtas siya ng Panginoon. At siya'y nagbagong buhay. So, yun ang mangyayari. So, kung hindi man yan nangyari this lifetime, mangyayari yan when he or she passed away. Na may kita niya na ganito yung iyong buhay at maraming maganda nangyayari sa'yo. At saka, yung kanilang karma din, they cannot control people by their manipulation games. Kasi, look at what they're doing, na naninira sila ng self-confidence by their words. So, nawalan sila ng grip or control sa mga tao. So, anyway, yung mga taong piniktima nila, actually, they will focus on their work or they will have an opportunity. So, yung malungkot guys, kasi yung mga tao na binibiktima nila, they really have to let go of a certain job or pwede rin talagang kailangan nila umalis sa taong ito para sila ay mag-grow. Kasi hindi sila mag-grow kapag nandito sa paligid yung taong ito. Pero yung kanilang karma, so you can see here, you will learn to be, I feel like on your own. You will learn to be independent. And if naiyak ka, ba siguro sa inyo ay may mission for this world? Honestly speaking, gagampanan mo yun. I will say, and you will definitely have a work. As you can see here. At saka makita mo yung worth mo guys. May enlighten ka. Kasi remember na dinim nila yung iyong light para hindi mo makita yung iyong capabilities. But good news here is that you will finally know yourself. At dahil alam mo na yung sarili mo, kaya meron kang work. Okay? At yung work mo, naka-align kung ano dapat yung work mo. So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. So far, hindi nila nabanggit yung accident, okay? Maybe some of them, they will encounter this, as I told you, when you know yourself already. Okay? And when you're doing well with regards to your work, saka itong mangyayari, itong accident. So anyway, that's it guys, and God bless all of you.